Okay, so Rollercoin is at the end of another season. Season 8 is now coming to an end, and this is the last weekend that you have that time and that chance to get all of those rewards. I'm going to show you my progress today on That Techo Guy so you can see where I am up to and my status, and hopefully you can also get some tips and tricks from even other videos that I have done and this video so that you can progress and try and get the most rewards from the remaining few hours of this season. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just going to jump straight into it, and here you can see Rollercoin Season 8 Metal Mayhem, and at the recording time of this video, 2 days, 16 hours and 51 minutes remain until the end of the season, and that's practically on Monday, okay? So I think it's going to be really early morning depending on which time zone you live in, on very early Tuesday morning, past midnight exactly. So on, I think, Tuesday the 11th of July, we will have officially around the globe the new season 9. So very looking forward to that as well. So basically here you can see all of the prizes that you could have potentially received during the season. What I did is I have bought the actual pass, not to get all the rewards, but I did get the premium, I think it's called, the first one, not the complete, just to get the seasonal rewards as well. And I did that pretty much after a few weeks that the season started. I wanted to see how my progress was going to go before I actually obviously purchased that. It's the one that costs 99.99 RLT, so practically 100 RLT. I think that it is worth that purchase because you will obviously get rewards which are higher in value than that 100 RLT, including the seasonal ones. You've also got some RLT that you actually get back for free as well. So I think that's a pretty good deal there, and you can actually get much more power than you would normally with just the free items, okay? So here I wanted to show you my progress, and I am currently at level 53. I am not probably going to make it to the end. I mean, to make it to the end, I would have to just get all rewards now, which for me is being offered at 80 RLT at the moment because I had purchased obviously the premium pass at the beginning. But I'm not going to purchase that. I mean, if I spend 80 now, I'd just potentially get another maybe 10 RLT back from that. So that would be actually that I spent like 70. And that's pretty much it. I'd get another Blaze Boosted, which has got quite a good potential there, 213 terahash. That's really the one I'm going to miss out most on. But the RSTs there are not really that large in the amount. I think I'd probably make it to the 8 RLT. I'm currently at 180 XP out of 350 on the 350 RST at level 53. So by the end of the weekend and by the end of Monday, I'll be able to get the 8 RLT as well, because I'm calculating that normally it takes me around 1.5 or 2 days to get the full 350 XP. It also depends on the progression events. During this progression event, I know that after this miner that I'm currently on, I believe this is on level 8 in the chart. I showed you this table in the last video that I did, so be sure to check that out with all of the rewards for the American Dream progression event. And I know that after this miner, there are some XP up for grabs as well. I think there's one with 70 XP after this one, and then there's also another one a bit further down, maybe another two prizes after that. There's 110 XP as well, okay? So if I get both of those, that's going to be 180 XP. The progression event lasts a day less than the actual season 8 ending. So this is 1 day, 7 hours remaining, and this is 2 days, 16 hours. So it's pretty much, there's a difference of a day there. So there's going to be probably a day where there's not going to be a progression event, I'm assuming, but I don't know. I mean, Rollercoin normally release progression events straight away as one ends, so potentially there might be another one as well. I'm just really looking forward to season 9 now. It's going to be something about traveling around the world, as Rollercoin have already said in their announcements. Be sure to check out the Discord channel for Rollercoin and the announcements and the general chat, because it's really a great community and there are many people, including myself there, willing to help you out on your roller journey. So this is what I wanted to show you. Event quests, completed tasks. Be sure to do that. Check out my video to do that. I mean, complete a task is pretty much just getting like a battery. To get that battery, I've already shown you a video on how you can actually do that very easily by just completing one task. Once you do that, you're easily going to get those XP points for that completed task right here. Earn 1 RLT in task wall for me is not that easy to do, because most of the tasks that you need to do, or the surveys that there are not applicable for the country I live in. So this is very much dependent when you go to those surveys on where you live, in which region you live. Sometimes you might be lucky and you're going to get loads of surveys and you're going to get RLT, and this would probably be very easy to achieve as well. There are other tasks that you can do in the task wall, like for example installing an application, but sometimes the effort that you need to put into those tasks in order to kind of finish the game or get to level 50 in a game or something will just take ages, and it's not going to be worth just 1 RLT just to do that, okay? But there are other tasks that will be worth it. You can kind of do, like I've already recommended, by completing a task and watching videos, for example with Lootably on loot.tv, and just accumulate loads of tasks and try to get those. But I don't know if you're going to get that 1 RLT in a day by just doing that alone. You have to give it a shot. Normally I claim once a day and I only get like 0.2 of an RLT at the most, okay? Definitely be sure to at least finish the 50 games per day. It's not going to take too much time, but at least you will be able to get all of these points. These join our Twitter and react and share. It's only 2 points. It's only a 1 second click. You just click on it, join our Twitter. I've already joined it anyway, so you just close it down and you've collected that. React and share, same thing. I've already done these things, already on Telegram, already on Twitter. I just click them and that's it. You've collected those. So 4 XP points right there. Invite a friend. Be sure to share your referral link, as I do, and as you can find in my description below this video. So if you're new to Rollercoin, be sure to click my link and you will get 1000 Satoshi when joining with my referral link. If you just sign up straight away through Rollercoin directly, you will not get those 1000 Satoshi. So that's why it's important to get invited by a friend of yours. It doesn't have to be me, it can be anyone, it can be one of your friends or colleagues as well. But I'm just putting my link down there since I'm telling you about Rollercoin, and it would be really awesome if you would just click my link and sign up with my referral link as well. And in return, you'll get those 1000 Satoshis. And when you do that as well, you will earn 20 XP points if you refer one of your friends, okay? So be sure to spread the word as well. Opening an RLT case, this will require you to have at least a minimum of 5 RLT. You get another 15. And then you might actually have made those 10 quests, and like the 20 merges is important as well. Just open a few parts cases and merge parts if you can't merge miners, okay? It's going to cost you less, okay? So that is something I do as well. I try and do all of these. Obviously the invite a friend is not always going to be possible. It depends on if people are actually using my referral link. But even without that, sometimes I do actually spend 15 sometimes a day by opening the loot boxes, because sometimes I get lucky, sometimes I don't. And sometimes I actually get those 25 as well. I would have completed the 10 tasks, and on top of that, I'd get another 25 from the 10 daily quests, because then I would have hit the 10 daily quests as well. So basically that's my 2 cents on how you can maximize your XP profits by doing these simple tasks. Definitely be sure to check out all my videos on Rollercoin. I've put Rollercoin videos under a playlist called Rollercoin, so you can find them much easier. They're all grouped together. You'll be able to find everything in one place on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check those out, and you'll be able to make the most of Rollercoin, the most of the end of Season 8 Metal Mayhem, and this the last weekend where you have the chance to maximize the number of rewards that you will get during the end of this season. And welcome to season 9 next week, and stay tuned because I will be obviously making a couple of videos on the new season as well. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.